Hello everyone, today I will show you all about how to care for jade plants. Crassula ovata. Jade plants are succulent houseplants that are easy to care for and can live for decades. Here is everything you need to know to keep yours thriving. 1. Light requirements. Jade plants love bright, indirect sunlight. Best placed near a south-facing window. Can handle some direct sunlight, but too much strong afternoon sun may scorch the leaves. To watering. Water thoroughly, but only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry. In spring and summer growing season. Water more regularly in winter. Reduce watering since the plant enters dormancy. Avoid overwatering, it's the one killer of jade plants. 3. Soil. Use a well-draining soil mix, like cactus or succulent soil. You can also mix regular potting soil with perlite or sand to improve drainage. For potting, choose a pot with drainage holes. Repot every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Terracotta pots are great because they help prevent overwatering. 5. Temperature and humidity. Ideal range 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Can tolerate down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, but keep it away from cold drafts. Average indoor humidity is fine. Oh, extra misting needed. 6. Fertilizing. Feed once a month during the growing season. Spring to early fall with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer at half strength. Skip fertilizing in winter. 7. Pruning and maintenance. Prune to encourage bushy growth or to remove leggy stems. Remove dead or dried leaves. Wipe leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free. Seedling benefits of jade plants. 1. Symbol of good luck and prosperity. Known as the money plant or friendship tree, jade plants are believed to bring wealth and positive energy, especially when placed near the entrance or in a home office. 2. Air purification. Like many houseplants, jade plants help filter indoor air by removing pollutants and releasing oxygen. 3. Stress reduction. Green living plants help create a calm, relaxing environment, which can reduce stress and boost mood. For low maintenance. Ideal for beginners or people with busy lifestyles. They require minimal care and thrive on neglect. 5. Aesthetic appeal. With their thick, shiny leaves and woody stems, jade plants look like miniature trees and add a touch of natural elegance to any space. 6. Lawn life spa. With proper care, a jade plant can live for decades, often becoming a family heirloom, passed from generation to generation. Perfect for beginners and plant lovers alike. The jade plant might just become your new favorite houseplant. Thanks for your watching this video.